This is the Capri 1/4 inch next to about a 9-inch 3/8. You can just get an idea for how small the profile of the head is. And then it's actually like 12 and a half or something. 12, at least 12 and a quarter. Yeah, over the, well, let's see where that goes to 12 and 3. Yeah, it's like, it's like 12 and a half. And then I wanted a flex head, and then I kind of realized that how little the pin would be. So, and then the handle's small, but it doesn't bother me. It looks really good. I don't know if you can compare this to like a tool truck, but I don't see why not. I mean, you'd have to actually be careful with this length. You could put a lot of torque on a bolt. It actually looks and feels pretty good. Glad I have it. I just put some other ones out here. Here's like a Mako 3/8, and you could see that difference between the 1/4 inch. It's a lot smaller. And I think I have down here, I think I have a Husky in this set. I have, so here is like what a normal 1/4 inch would look like. This is the Husky 144 and 1/4 inch. So put those right next to each other, and that's a pretty good, that's like the normal 1/4 inch right here. And that's about it. In comparison, and then I'll end it. Let's see. Yeah, they're both good. They're like identical. It's nice. I'm glad I have it. I don't even care about the if it were a flex head or not. It's like 12 and a half inches long. You could put a wobble or whatever on it.